Is I'm putting on a psychometric triple lens light. Not. All right. Little background. This is a 64 VW, was it Type 2 bus?
Hot tuba.
Anyway, we replaced the front nose, went to paint, set for a year, and you're trying to remember how to put stuff back together. And for the life of me, I don't know why I couldn't remember how easy this was. But we're putting the front turn signals in it. And this is the goofy part. It was this easy, but there's no videos out there showing it, so we figured we'd show you. You take the large notch for the stepped area, you slide it in there, and if you're lucky enough, you kept your original screws, and you just screw it on.
Wow. Right?
Yeah,
Great. Thanks.
amazing.
It was that simple. I was trying to make it way harder than what it was by trying to slide it in this way and slide it back. It's just that simple. Sometimes it is. Original hardware. The new stuff you get is junk. Try to save all your original lenses. These are not all the originals, but they're not bad. So my advice is anything that you can reuse that came original with the bus, turn around to that. A Mustang, a Corvette in there, whatever it is, keep your original stuff until you're done with the project. Do not sell it. Do not give it away. Do not loan it to a buddy. Keep your original parts. When you're done, you can do whatever you want to with them, but it makes it so much easier, and the original stuff is so much nicer than anything you're going to get from any of these aftermarket companies. That is the tech tip of the day.